worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we've just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.